BTC Markets app. The pros, the cons. The BTC Markets app is one of Australia's most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. You won't believe how easy it makes buying and selling crypto, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for beginners. It actually offers advanced trading tools too. On the pros side, BTC Markets supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. The app allows easy FAD deposits and withdrawals in Australian dollars, making it convenient for local users. Security is strong with two-factor authentication and regulatory compliance, ensuring peace of mind. It also offers advanced charting tools and order types for experienced traders, while maintaining a clean, user-friendly interface for newcomers. Cons include slightly higher fees for instant purchases compared to other platforms, and the app is mainly tailored for Australian residents. Custodial wallets mean you don't have direct control of private keys, and some advanced features might overwhelm beginners at first. Customer support, while responsive, can occasionally be slow during high traffic periods. In conclusion, the BTC Markets app is ideal for Australians looking for a secure, reliable, and versatile crypto trading experience. Beginners will appreciate the simplicity, while experienced traders can take advantage of the advanced features. If you want a local exchange that balances accessibility with functionality, BTC Markets is a solid choice.